The question now is, has Apple truly reinvented the camera button? Meanwhile, in China, the innovation landscape looks vastly different. With the launch of Huawei's groundbreaking trifold Mate XT, people are discovering new ways to push the boundaries of how smartphones are used. One of the most intriguing applications gaining popularity is autostereoscopy, watching 3D movies without the need for glasses. By folding the Mate XT in a precise configuration, users can achieve a 3D effect. This trifold design creates a unique viewing experience that feels immersive. But the real marvel of the Mate XT comes when we look inside. Priced at nearly $3,000, this device's teardown reveals it as a masterpiece of modern engineering. The battery, screen, and internal components are incredibly thin, allowing Huawei to maintain the sleek and foldable design without compromising on power. The flexible OLED display, for instance, is specially designed to withstand the wear and tear of repeated folding. At the same time, it delivers high-quality images with vibrant colors and deep contrasts, rivaling even the best displays on standard flagship smartphones. The battery, though slim, is engineered to support heavy multitasking and 3D experiences, making the phone a power-packed performer despite its ultra-thin profile. As we peel back the layers of the Mate XT's internals, it becomes clear that each component has been meticulously crafted. The phone's internal layout is incredibly efficient, with parts arranged in a way that maximizes space without compromising on function. This engineering precision allows for the Mate XT's impressive foldable mechanism, which has shown minimal wear even after thousands of bends. The build quality and attention to detail inside the phone speak to Huawei's relentless pursuit of innovation, making this device a technological marvel of its time. But it's not just the engineering that sets the Mate XT apart, it's the versatility. The phone isn't just a smartphone, it's a productivity machine. Users can switch between phone mode, tablet mode, and even a mini laptop mode when paired with a foldable keyboard. This seamless transition between configurations offers users more flexibility than any traditional smartphone could. In tablet mode, it's perfect for multitasking, reading, or watching movies. In laptop mode, paired with a keyboard, it becomes a full-fledged work machine capable of handling emails, document editing, and even graphic-intensive tasks. The Mate XT truly represents a next-generation device for those who need more than just a phone in their pocket. All of these features combine to push the boundaries of what a smartphone can be. The mobile tech industry is diverging. Some players are bringing back beloved features from the past with a modern twist, while others, like Huawei, are charting entirely new paths. As these trends continue, the future of smartphones is bound to be more dynamic than ever, with consumers enjoying a wider range of choices in how they interact with and use their devices. To further appreciate the Mate XT's versatility, it's essential to highlight its durability. Despite being foldable, the Mate XT has passed rigorous durability tests, showing its resilience against the everyday wear and tear of constant folding and unfolding.